Thinking about the cost of replacing your Tesla Model S battery? Let's break it down for you in just 2 minutes. Battery lifespan. Tesla Model S batteries are designed to last between 300,000 and 500,000 miles. But several factors can lead to early replacement. Signs of replacement. You'll know it's time for a replacement if your battery drains faster or its capacity significantly drops. Replacement costs. The cost for a full battery replacement typically ranges from $12,000 to $20,000, including labor and parts. Upgrade options. Moving from a 60 kilowatt-hour to a 75 kilowatt-hour battery can cost between $2,500 and $3,500, while larger upgrades might go up to $12,000. Choosing a service provider. Look for 24/7 support, reliability, and eco-friendly practices to get the best value and service. Maintenance tips. Regular maintenance and following Tesla's charging guidelines can extend your battery's life, saving you from frequent replacements. Conclusion: stay informed and plan your replacement or upgrade wisely. For more info, visit evbatterycentral.com.